Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I definitely still think this is either going up to make a running flat wave C or possibly a expanding flat wave C. Either way, I don't think it's that big of a deal to know what it is now, because either way would lead to a pretty big uptrend. Expanding flat would go up and take out these highs. Running flat would most likely go down to one of these lower highs, maybe the 123 to 138% Fibonacci extension. So either way, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely think this right here is a wave 1. I think this big area in the middle is a running flat wave 2 ending right here. That would make this right here a wave 1. That would make this right here most likely a WXY of wave 2. I personally think that we're already in that wave 3, and I think it's going to end up making higher highs, higher lows on these higher time frames, going up in that big old wave 3. So taking a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think the 5 wave up pattern ends right here for the wave 1. I think this is a big WXY. I think it's 1, 2, 3 waves down W, 1, 2, 3 waves up X, 1, 2, 3 waves down Y. I think this is a big WXY of wave 2. That would make this right here a wave 1. That would make this right here a wave 2. And I would most likely assume that we are now in a wave 3. Most likely place for a wave 3 to go is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2, which also lines up perfectly with the top of this wave X correction, which according to the Elliot wave books is where most wave 1s actually go. So I think this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 1 of wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the pound is continuing to make higher highs, higher lows, while some of the other dollar pairs did make a move down. This is definitely higher low, higher low, higher low. At least until we get a break of this higher low, higher high, higher low series, I would definitely be doing nothing but continuing to look for longs. We are sitting at the 100% Fibonacci extension, but it really already did pull back from there once. It does seem likely that it could just blow right through that area and just keep on trending up. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I was explaining on the higher time frames, all the higher time frames are in an uptrend. 4 hour time frame is definitely making higher highs, higher lows. Until we get a break of that high low series on at least a 4 hour time frame and up, I would personally be doing nothing on these sort of time frames but looking for longs. You'll notice that this definitely made 1, 2, 3 waves down, impulsive up, nice entry to go long. Yesterday, 1, 2, 3 waves down, impulsive up, go long. Friday last week, 1, 2, 3 waves down and positive up, go long again. So until we get a break of that high-low series on the 4 hour time frame, I am definitely doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of 3 wave pullbacks on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list right here from top to bottom. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade / day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.